Hey peeps, it's Sophie here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're dealing with the Physical Science 2018 paper for grade 12, and this is a question on wave, sound and light, but it's also a question on the Doppler effect. Okay, it says the alarm of a vehicle parked next to a straight horizontal road goes off, emitting sound with a wavelength of 0.34 meters. A patrol car is moving at a constant speed on the same road. The driver of the patrol car hears a sound with a frequency of 50 Hz lower than the sound emitted by the alarm. Take the speed of sound in air as 340 meters per second. Okay. 6.1 says state the Doppler effect in words, and that is in the yellow sticky note. It says it's an apparent change in the detected frequency as a result of relative motion between a source and an observer. Okay, 6.2 says, is the patrol car driving towards or away from the parked vehicle? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, so we know that the frequency is getting lower. So that means that it's driving away from the parked vehicle. So you're going further away from the sound, which means that the frequency is lower. Okay. So that's your reason. Okay, so calculate the frequency of the sound emitted by the alarm. So let's do that up here. Okay, so the first formula that comes to mind is, well, this one, where the speed of sound is equal to the frequency times the wavelength. Okay. So we're looking for the frequency, so we know the speed of sound is 340 meters per second. We don't know the frequency, but we know the wavelength in meters is 0.34. So we can work out the frequency to be 1,000 Hertz from that. Okay. 6.4 says the patrol car moves a distance of X meters in 10 seconds. Calculate the distance X. Okay. So we are going to use the relative motion formula with this section, and that is the frequency of, well, the lower frequency is equal to the speed of sound, and then this is minus the speed of the patrol car, because we know that that's slower than the speed of sound. And then we're going to say speed of sound again, plus the speed of sound of the stationary car, which is obviously 0. Oh, not the speed of sound of it, sorry. The speed of it. Okay. So we know that the frequency felt by the patrol car is 950. And that is equal to the speed of sound, which is 340. We don't know the speed of the vehicle. So we can use the speed of the vehicle to work out the distance that the vehicle travels, because they are related in motion. Okay, and then the speed of sound again, plus minus 0, it doesn't make a difference. Okay, so then we get, if we put that into our calculator, we get the speed of the patrol car to be 17 meters per second. Now we know that the distance traveled by something is equal to the velocity times the change in time, which comes from the velocity formula. So we know that that is then 17 times 10, which is equal to 170 meters. Okay. Well, that's it for this question, but before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read all about them in the description below. Also, be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos, and if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question, and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. But until the next time, stay epic.